Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi and I'm pursuing my first year of engineering in cybersecurity from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I'll be explaining about the topic operator overloading in Python. Coming to the introduction, operator overloading means giving extended meaning beyond their predefined operational meaning. For example, operator plus is used to add two integers as well as join two strings and merge two lists. It is achievable because plus operator is overloaded by integer class and string class. You might have noticed that the same built-in operator or function shows different behavior for objects of different classes. This is called operator overloading. For example, Python programmed to show the use of plus operator for different purposes. Print 1 plus 2 gives us the output 3. Concatenate two strings, print geeks plus 4 gives us the output as geeks4, and the product of two numbers, print 3 into 4 gives us the output as 12. Repeat the string, print geeks into 4 times gives us the output as word geeks, which is displayed 4 times. Coming to the next one, how to overload a operator in Python. Consider that we have two objects which are a physical representation of a class, and we have to add two objects with binary plus operator. It throws an error because compiler don't know how to add two objects. So we define a method for an operator, and that process is called operator overloading. We can overload all existing operators, but we can't create a new operator. To perform operator overloading, Python provides some special function or magic function that is automatically invoked when it is associated with that particular operator. For example, when we use plus operator, the magic method add is automatically invoked, in which the operation for plus operator is defined. Now let's learn about the overloading binary plus operator in Python. When we use an operator on user-defined data types, then automatically a special function or magic function associated with that operator is invoked. Changing the behavior of operator is as simple as changing the behavior of a method or function. You define methods in your class, and operators work accordingly to that behavior defined in the methods. When we use plus operator, the magic method add is automatically invoked, in which the operation for plus operator is defined. Thereby changing this magic method's code, we can give extra meaning to the plus operator. How does the operator overloading actually work? Whenever you change the behavior of the existing operator through operator overloading, you have to redefine the special function that is involved automatically when the operator is used with the objects. The following example helps us to know how to overload an binary plus operator and how it actually works. The output is also displayed. Let's learn the next topics in our further videos. Thank you.